Today we are going to say the story of the ant and the grasshopper.
The ant and the grasshopper.
Once there lived a lazy grasshopper. He did not like to work. All day long he sang songs and played in the warm sunshine. He, look at me. I am as happy as can be. The grasshopper laughed at the hard-working ants as they worked day and night. We are storing grains for the long winter ahead. They replied. The lazy grasshopper only laughed louder. Summer ended and the cold winter arrived. The wind blew strong and it started snowing. The grasshopper now began to worry. There is no food to eat, no grass, no flowers or leaves. I can't see even the tiniest fly or worms. What will I do? I will surely starve. He cried. Let me meet my kind neighbor, the ant. The grasshopper remembered how the hard-working ant had stored away the grains for the winter. He knocked at her door. Dear ant, I am hungry and cold. I have nothing to eat. Please, can you give me some food? The ant shook in anger. Lazy one! What were you doing all summer? You were only singing and dancing. You should have thought of the cold winter months. Again, go away. She slammed her door shut. The lazy grasshopper was felt as hungry as before. Now, I am going to ask few questions to the ant and the grasshopper.
Okay.
How did the grasshopper spend his days?
The grasshopper spent his days by singing and dancing.
Oh, did the grasshopper find food in the winter?
No, grasshopper did not find food on the winter.
Okay, grasshopper. Now, the question for grasshopper. What did the ant tell the grasshopper when he asked for food?
Lazy one, what you was doing in all summer?
Yeah, let's stop.
Okay.
If you were asked to store things for the winter, what would you store? Any three.
Grains, fruits, vegetables.
Oh. Which season do you like the best?
I like the best summer season.
Oh, nice.
Bye everyone. We'll meet you in the next video.